Good morning everybody and welcome to today's vlog. So what we got up to last night. That is massive.
I did jumping.
They're gonna jump the car into the cups. What?
I did. What they're gonna jump?
I don't know. They took your truck.
Yeah,
Is it silly?
it took me. Right.
Saber is riding your truck and Bobby put some cups up.
It's supposed to drive in the inside.
Yeah, you're supposed to drive on the inside, aren't you?
Not on this.
That's so silly.
There.
Could you fit in there?
Not fit.
Oh no.
He's not fit in there.
Hey guys, so I went and laid down and actually fell asleep for a few minutes, which is good because I got like fuck all sleep last night. But I'm currently just organising my setup because I have to go to part of the videography job today. So this is what I've got set up so far. So I've got my tripod, this thing with my mic, the camera, and yeah, hopefully everything's all good. I'm going to do some tests in a minute just to make sure I've got my settings correct. But oh my god, how exciting, man, how exciting. Having some difficulties with my freaking equipment, so I've come to Nick and Gabby to do some tests on down.
Oh, where's my game?
Grilling.
Bunnings style. Bunnings dog style.
Alright, we've done some tests and they've come up good, so that's good. Don't show my legs. Don't show the legs.
This is worrying me. Give it a little bit of slack.
Alright, what's your favourite colour?
Orange.
Oh, it has nice box.
Big kid. I should ask you at the barbecue. Alright, what is your favourite makeup to use and why? I'm a fan of Kat Von D brand, but her as a person's gone downhill. But the makeup's still good, so I guess that one's still. I don't know. What do you like to do? Do you like playing outside?
Yeah.
What's your favourite thing to do? So I'm back home now. The videography job went pretty well. I'm pretty confident with the footage that I got and the interviews I did, so I'm happy with that. Kayden made a wall hanging and I accidentally broke it, so I'm going to fix that. But Kayden has a performance tomorrow. I won't be able to go because I have to go to Port Augusta to do the next videography, but I'm going to ask Mark if he can take the vlog and video it for me. But anyway, he wasn't going to go, and we've decided today that he is going to go tomorrow, so he's super excited and I can hear him in his room practicing, so I'm going to try and sneak up.
I'm the front row only does this and the back row. And what are you doing in here?
Nothing. Kayden. Anyway, I'm going to charge my phone and lay down for a little bit because I'm freaking exhausted. But yeah, I'm super happy that the videography job went so good. We're going out. Boys have had their baths and showers. I had a shower. That was so loud, I don't know if you heard me. I got a phone call from Nick and Gabby. They're like, oh, do you want to come for tea? So we're going to head over there, have some feed.
I'm not playing.
That should be good. Sus at Bo My Toaster's gaming setup behind the scenes. Hey.
I'm going outside.
Shut the shit.
I'm gonna put my hand hair off.
What hand hair?
Got my hand hair.
so far up there.
Gabby, you've got a stain on your ass like blood or something. No. Oh. You shit. Oh, you in Bow My Toaster's setup?
Yeah.
Oh.
Boy. Hey, guess what? Almost in recess, I actually sing that song in my head.
Stay there. I'll chuck it to you. Show you how I chuck like a real man.
Wow.
Dead on. A little bit off to the side, but dead on.
Hey, here we go, here we come.
I thought you were gonna jump scare him. Ollie, he went back outside. Jump scare.
No. He's not in here. Yeah, Ollie, he's not inside. He's outside. Yeah, he's outside. You just go like this.
So Kayden's doing a performance tomorrow to What Does the Fox Say by Just Dance. So me and Gabbi are going to try and do it right now.
Who wants my call sign?
Will that be alright?
Yeah. Who wants my call sign?
I can't even do this one.
Who wants the call sign?
No. I don't even know how to do I don't know how to do the legs anyhow. But it's so confusing. My legs are better. Ooh, sexy Kayden!
I don't like this part.
But if you meet a friendly host, will you communicate by more? Will you speak to that?
I'm so moved when I do it. My legs hurt.
I need to do this 3 times every day.
Oh, sorry.
Idiot.
I don't know you're so right. My legs look fucking kill though.
How? Now this is the part that I hate.
Your legs hurt, Kayden?
No, I need to do this 3 times every day. This is so funny. I heard to do this again today.
Oh god, oh my god. Good Nick.
Lit.
Lit.
Who did the best?
My legs hurt.
Huh?
That was so fun though. We should do that for workouts. Fuck. Thanks for tea. Oh wow. Alright, so we just got home. I'm gonna jump on the computer and probably try and edit for about an hour. I'm waiting for the washing to get done because I want to try and get up to date as much as I can. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know what I'm up to. I think I'm up to the 1st and it's the 3rd, so I haven't got much to go. I'm just gonna get all my equipment set up for tomorrow because I have the big videography job tomorrow. So I'm gonna make sure it's all ready to go so I'm not stressing. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm just gonna edit, do the washing and go to bed. But thank you for watching and I will see you for tomorrow's vlog, guys. Bye!